Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen Tech Hub. Today our topic is SYNC and ASYNC in Oracle Data Guard. So before I jump into the data guard scenario, first we will understand in a simplest way what is SYNC and ASYNC. Suppose you have two computers, and in one computer you save the document and you wait until the second computer confirms it received the copy. So that is sync method. And what is async? Async is you save the document and you are continue working immediately. The copy is sending from the background on the background side. So your activity is not stopped. You still continue your activity. So sync in the short terms, you can say, in the simplest way, you can say sync should wait for acknowledgement, and async should not wait for acknowledgement. It should keep working. So now let's come into the Oracle Data Guard perspective. In Oracle Data Guard, we have one primary database and one standby database. Whenever a transition happen, it generates a redo, and that redo needs to reach to the standby side to sync between primary and standby data. So in this screen you will see in the primary side, transition happened, redo generated, and redo shipped to the standby side. It will primary wait until the standby send the acknowledgement. Okay, so in the simplest way also you can say primary, it will say to the standby, I sent the redo, did you receive it? Standby will consider, yes, I received it. The primary then complete the transition. So it will then complete the transition, sends wait for acknowledgement, and then it will continue further activities. Same process will continue. So this is a simplest way, like what is async? Sync. Now we will come into the async. What is async? With async, the primary does not wait for a standby acknowledgement before continue. Okay, so redo anyhow we have to ship to the standby side while primary continue processing its activity. Okay, so it will not wait, it will keep processing. It will keep processing if we didn't receive the acknowledgement. So the easiest comparison now, see, sync primary, in the primary database, transition happened, redo generated, and redo shipped to the standby side, and standby acknowledge given to the primary side, and primary after that keep continue. And in the async method, transition generates, redo sent to the standby side, but it didn't give acknowledgement back to the primary. It will keep immediately working. Okay, so now the further question is, what is the advantage of this async and async? So it depends on the configuration, what kind of configuration we are setting in our organization. So suppose you have set a protection mode. We will discuss that protection mode also in upcoming videos. So primary wait for acknowledgement, there should be some network latency can affect performance. In this case, sync may. And async is basically it doesn't wait, so it should have a better performance, and less latency impact. There could be some transport lag. Suppose on the primary side, before redo shipping to the standby side, something happened, so that redo might be lost. Okay, so it's not a full data loss. That which is not shipped to the standby, that redo might be lost. So this is a simplest comparison between sync and async. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And in upcoming videos, we will focus on the background process of how the log is shipping to the standby side. We will see LNS, RFS, and MRP, how redo moves from primary to standby. These are the upcoming videos we will see in upcoming in the next session. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you all.